Hey guys, what's up? So tonight I'm also going to review a Sony PlayStation 1. This actually released before the Nintendo 64. This released originally in 1994. So this is the front of it, the controller slots and the memory card slots. Here's the side of it. Here's the back of it. Here's the other side. Here's the bottom. And here's the top. So I'll go over the inputs of the system, which we have a thing called a parallel I/O. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. There's the slot. And then we have serial I/O. I don't know what that means. We have AV multi-out, and then we have AC in. Let's go over the buttons. So this one is the power on button. You press it and it turns it on. Then you press it again, it turns it off. There's a reset button, just hit once to reset. And then there's the open button. And that opens this thing. And then, back in the day of 1994, they had no hard drive, so you would use memory cards, which would plug in right here. These are like 1 megabyte. Yeah, the games were really small back in the day. And the games. So this is Crash. It has 2 crashes, Crash 1 and Crash 2. These were CDI games. So you look like this. You open that, you would slip it in there, you close it and you power it on. And okay, let's go over the cordages, the cords that it uses. So this is like, hold on, this is like standard. It's like a standard plug, which you would plug in right here. It'll go in there. There it goes. Okay, you see? Now it goes in there, and then it uses basically the same thing as the N64 and GameCube used, but different end. They just use AV. And this is the end of it. It's kind of a weird looking end. You plug it in right here. And this thing only supported 2 players. I don't have the original controller, but I could certainly show you a controller that was modified from the original PlayStation 1 controller. And that is this is called a DualShock 2 controller. Back in the day, the first PlayStation did not have analog sticks like this. They took out the analog sticks and they just had basic. So then it comes with this kind of end, which you would plug in right here. And let's go over the inputs. There's L1, L2, and then there's R1, R2, and then there's triangle, square, X, circle, and there's 1 analog stick. There's start, there's the analog button where you can like enable it and disable it, and then there's select, and there's another analog stick, and then there's an up, down, left, right. And yeah, that is my review of the original Sony PlayStation. Good night.